With RapidPipeline's decimation and baking action, users can reduce the mesh complexity and material count of a model, all while being able to preserve important details. In this example, our model is a shoe that has about 150,000 triangles as well as 4 materials. Each material has a base color, normal, and roughness texture map, giving the model a total of 12 texture maps. Using the Decimate and Bake Atlas action, we can bake these textures onto one atlas, reducing the total number of materials, while simultaneously reducing the total face count of the model. Let us run our model using this option and see what happens. The mesh gets decimated, reducing the face count from 150,000 triangles to about 100,000 triangles. The number of materials has also been reduced from 4 to 1 with only 3 texture maps. Despite that, the model has not suffered any loss in visual quality. The Decimate and Bake Atlas action also comes with various customizable settings, such as the option to change the resolution at which the texture maps are baked, the option to bake an ambient occlusion map, a customizable face target cap, and much more. These settings allow users to effectively convert complex multi-material models into simpler, more performance-friendly models, all with the click of a few buttons. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for Unreal Engine. Try it for free or chat with our human team directly on our website.